there, yo. I like this one right here. Man, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy ZT Zooming, and I'm back with another booming video, baby. So today we got a vlog that I am juiced about. You guys saw the springs before. It's time to lower my car with the Eibach lowering springs. So right now I'm on my way out to the shop. If you guys are new to my channel, I usually do all the work on my car myself on this channel. That's what this channel is all about. Believing in yourself and then betting on yourself. I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me. So let's go ahead and get to this video. Made it out to the shop. This right here is a socket to take off my lug nuts. It's called a Gorilla Spline socket or something like that. Here's the front Eibach lowering springs. I'll put the part number somewhere down below. Here's the rears. And then this box that I teased on the last video, which was yesterday for me, probably 2 days ago for you guys. So this is a spring compressor that we're gonna use to take out the front springs with. The Eibach springs are supposed to give your car about a 1-inch drop all the way around. I have the magnetic ride control on my car, so my drop will be slightly less. The magnetic ride control cars just don't drop as far as the ones without the MRC. If you guys don't know what magnetic ride control is, basically it adjusts the firmness of the shocks as you drive. With magnets, it controls the fluid. We're gonna start off with the front springs first. They're a little bit harder to take off. They're really not that hard overall in terms of removing springs and putting springs on. It should take a couple hours to get this knocked out, but the front ones are a little bit harder, so that's where we're gonna start off at. We got the struts loose in here so that we can get to the springs. Now we need to go up into the engine bay and remove them from the strut towers. There's 3 bolts up there. Got the speed sensor pulled out, everything loosened up. Now, if you guys are looking for a detailed video on how to do this, on tomorrow's video, I'll be releasing a step-by-step process on how to lower your car. I'll give you each step, the size of all the bolts, all of that. But today's video was more just like a vlog of me lowering my car. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video if you want the how-to. Boom, shot number 1. Here's a comparison of the 2 springs for you guys. That's the Eibach spring, the lowering spring there. That is the factory spring. You can see how much shorter the Eibach spring is already before we even get it installed. There's the strut right there. Let's get this baby installed. Front Eibach spring and strut installed back in there. Now it's time to button this up and then we'll get the wheel put back on. We are moving right along. I got the front installed. I got this side done too. It already looks like the wheel gap is just smaller. I'm just assuming because the springs are shorter. The front went in pretty smooth, no issues at all. I probably had the most trouble getting the boot over the actual strut itself, but I mean, other than that, it's a pretty simple process. Now the fronts are definitely harder than what the rear is, so that's why I saved the rear for last. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the back here. I'll show you guys a little bit of the process. Again, I'm making a step-by-step how-to video. In the meantime, y'all, let's get this vlog action going. Working on the back here. Got this wheel removed off of here. So here's the rear spring right here that we need to get to. These rubber gloves I got, you see how they're textured like this? Yo, my grandpa found these on Amazon. These Gorilla Grip gloves by Grease Monkey. They're super thick. These are like by far the best gloves I've ever used. So the rear is supposed to be pretty straightforward, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to it and I'll check in with you guys soon enough. Oh, in the exhaust right here, I got a shipping update for my new muffler. We got all the different control arms and whatever all this crap is called, and we got the spring loose here, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop this spring out. Hey, we looking good, y'all. Alright, so there's a new spring there. That's the Eibach rear spring installed. Now I'm just gonna slap this wheel back on. We'll get to the other side and then, whoo, we about to see how this mofo looking, y'all. I can't wait. You can see I'm putting bricks underneath the wheels. Now you can use better options like using a 2x4 or something like that, but these are what I have handy. I just wanna make sure I can get the arms out from underneath the car because the car is gonna sit lower now. It's looking like a Lakers getting another dub. It's looking like Lakers in 4. I'm calling it. Yesterday I was tired. I didn't really feel like filming once I got home. So right now I'm over at the car wash getting a car wash real quick because I don't want to show you the car till I get it shined up. And also too, I need to run and return my spring compressor real quick. So we're going to knock those things out. And then I'm going to show you guys my car all cleaned up and everything. Let's get it. Bit of advice, don't get black wheels. They suck to clean. Damn, only 200 miles on that last tank. I'm on my way to pick up the spring compressors real quick. Since I've been driving the car for last night and then just today, not that much, but I just want to kind of give you my first impressions. I haven't really been on the freeway yet with it. I've mostly been in town, but it really isn't all that bad. Slightly more bumpy if you hit a big bump, but other than that, I mean, it really ain't bad. See? Told you guys I was just trying to go home. I ain't even cleaned up my mess yesterday. Got all my tools and everything out. Say what up, dude. Got drawers open on my toolbox, man. I was trying to get up out of here, you guys. I got springs out. It's all bad. Boom, here we go. Y'all been listening to that new 21? All right, you guys. So here we are. It's finally time. Let me have y'all look at me real quick. It's finally time to show you my car lowered. I've been teasing you guys all video. Let's get straight to it. Ooh, look at it. I don't know, it might be too much shade right there for you guys. Let me get on this side. Yo, I think that just came falling off my butt. I think I might have been in the store and everything with that. Yes, yes, yes. I'm loving the way that it looks. It doesn't look like it's slammed or nothing, but it's sitting down low where it's sitting right. I know I still don't have my tires shined up, you guys, so don't get on me too hard. But I got a car wash, got it all cleaned up. Yeah, I'm loving it, man. I mean, my car is getting so close to where I want it to be done at visually. My car is looking too clean right now. It's just sitting perfect. Now, look at the way the light's hitting on it right now. Right now, I'm out at a local community college. It's all shut down, but it's perfect because I got this whole parking lot out here all to myself. And like, it doesn't give it that slammed look. Like, it's hard, unless you have a Camaro, I bet you there's gonna be a lot of people that see my car and they don't even know that it's actually lowered because it sits right. I'm glad I got the Eibach too. Like I said, I got a good deal on a used pair of Eibach, but Eibach is what I was already planning to get anyways. When that deal came through, I mean, everything just came out perfect. Shout out to my fellow 50 Camaro owner, Teddy. Appreciate you, bruh. Corsa with the black tips. Man, y'all, this shit is so fucking clean. This is honestly like, I don't know about you guys, but like my first car was a 1989 Chevy S10, had a headlight out, a door didn't work, and I just go like, damn, y'all, this is really me right here. It's all me. My car doesn't look like anyone else's now. My car doesn't look like any other 50s out there. Fuck it, I got a rare car, but I don't care, man. I had to make it mine, and I feel like I finally done that. Don't forget, you guys, we still got a wrap coming for the rest of the car, so we're definitely not even done visually, but we are right there ain't much more that I want to do. My front lit black. You guys let me know what you think about that down below. I saw they make black 50 logos. I may consider that, or I may just, I don't know. I probably won't spray paint them, maybe plasti dip. My plasti dipping days are over. I did a lot of plasti dipping back in the day, but I'm too old. I'd just rather wrap something now, but I don't really know what else I would actually be able to do with the emblems. You guys, let me know what you think down below. Let me know if you have questions about the lower ring springs. Let me know if you guys want me to make a video talking about them. You want me to give a review, how I feel about how the car rides now. I'll completely break everything down if that's what you want. That's gonna do it for the video today. This your boy ZT zooming, and I'm keeping shit booming, baby. I'm out. Hey!